Hurricane season has always presented a conflict for a grinder salesman. On one hand, the destruction brought by these storms means an increase in business, but the other side of the coin means that friends and neighbors will be suffering as a result of that same destruction. 2006 brought a season that will not soon be forgotten by anyone who experienced even some of the havoc that was inflicted by Katrina, Rita, and Wilma. In August, with forecasts warning that the pending storm could be the big one, Peterson management called a meeting of its production management staff and began ramping up production for what promised to be an unprecedented need for grinding equipment in the Gulf Coast. In the aftermath of the storms, it was not always clear what the plan of attack should be. With widespread damage and snarled communication channels, the only thing certain was that help was needed as quickly as possible. Contractors from across the country sprang into action, moving equipment into place to begin processing storm debris. At every turn, Peterson was taking steps to anticipate demand and stay a step ahead of the need for not just equipment, but the parts and service that they would inevitably need. Claude McKnight will travel over 60,000 miles this year, crisscrossing the Gulf Coast area, delivering parts to grinding contractors. Peterson service staff are rotating into the storm damage area in order to maintain the level of support that our customers have come to expect from us. The storms left in their wake enough downed timber to keep contractors busy for years to come. Debris from these storms is estimated to total well over 100 million cubic yards, enough to fill the Superdome more than 22 times. Because of the vast quantity of material and the level of contamination, the cleanup has progressed in stages. The first stage consisted of clearing roads and re-establishing transportation. Much of the material gathered from this stage was relatively clean, downed trees and green waste that was stockpiled for grinding as equipment is available. Some of this material will find its way into cogeneration fuel, but due to the overwhelming volume of material, much of this material is being landfilled. The second stage consisted of collecting material that was removed from storm-damaged homes. This material is commingled and highly contaminated. It will be suitable for nothing other than landfills. The third stage of cleanup is just now getting underway. This consists of homes that are damaged beyond repair and are being torn down. Peterson horizontal grinders are working to get ahead of this catastrophe before the next season starts. We are constantly working on improving our products, and the last few years have seen dramatic improvements in our grinders' ability to withstand the abuse that occurs when non-crushable material is encountered. Peterson's patent-pending impact release system is a latching system that can open an escape hatch, enabling the non-crushable material to be ejected from the grinding chamber, minimizing the opportunity for damage to occur. Our patented impact cushion system is a unique system that cushions bearings from the shock loads encountered when non-crushable material impacts the anvil. Dealing with the type of material that a hurricane leaves in its wake will be a challenge for any grinder, but Peterson horizontal grinders are engineered to perform at the top of their class. Over the course of the past few years, Peterson has steadily climbed into the leading position in the U.S. grinder market. This hasn't happened by accident. It's been the result of focused attention to the needs of our customers, as well as emphasis on manufacturing the best equipment in the business. If you'd like more information about Peterson and how our products can help you become a part of the solution, contact us www.petersoncorp.com or 800-269-6520.